In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate from QuickBooks Self-Employed to QuickBooks Online. Transitioning your financial data between these platforms might seem daunting, but with this guide, we'll walk you through it step by step, ensuring a smooth and seamless process. Before we dive into the specifics of migration, one crucial step is to download your important financial reports from QuickBooks Self-Employed. This backup includes tax details, profit and loss reports, mileage logs, and receipts for each tax year you have data. This precaution ensures you have a tangible copy of your financial information on hand if anything doesn't go as planned during the migration. Now, let's get started with selecting the right plan. Head over to the QuickBooks website to choose a QuickBooks Online plan that best fits your business needs. Take your time to compare the available options to ensure you pick the one that aligns with your business requirements. If you initially subscribe to QuickBooks Self-Employed directly and not through sources like Google Play or the App Store, you're in luck. You can utilize the built-in upgrade wizard. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Self-Employed account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon at the top of the page and click on Upgrade. From there, you'll be able to select your preferred QuickBooks Online plan. Make sure to choose the Bring My Data option. This feature will help you transfer essential transactions, invoice details, current settings, and comprehensive account information effortlessly. As you proceed with the migration, you'll be prompted to categorize open transactions and mark paid invoices. This step is vital for data accuracy, so take your time to ensure everything is in order. Once you've followed these prompts, you'll see a summary of the data ready to be moved. Carefully review this summary to confirm everything looks correct. When you're satisfied, confirm to complete the migration process. For those who subscribe through Google Play or the App Store, the process is slightly different, involving a more manual approach. Begin by downloading your QuickBooks Self-Employed transactions. Next, connect your bank and credit card accounts directly within QuickBooks Online, or alternatively, you can manually upload your transactions. This step helps avoid duplicates and maintains data integrity. After connecting your accounts, take the time to set up your company in QuickBooks Online. You can either start from scratch or import the necessary data to create a seamless transition between platforms. As we wrap up, remember, after successfully migrating your data and confirming everything is intact within QuickBooks Online, it's important to cancel your QuickBooks Self-Employed subscription. This final step prevents any unnecessary duplicate billing, ensuring you only pay for the service you need. And there you have it, a straightforward and comprehensive guide to migrating from QuickBooks Self-Employed to QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth transition and maintain uninterrupted financial management for your business. Thank you for joining me today, and happy accounting.